So, the fuck is a Carnute? In case you didn't get the memo, you didn't see the thumbnail of this video, nor read the title, today we're making the demon deer. Well, it's a creature from the upcoming game Nightingale. After stalking the Nightingale official site and googling a lot, I found some pictures and some screenshots of the Carnute, or the demon deer. The name demon deer fits perfectly with this creature. It looks like a deer that has been possessed by the demons of the forest, or the spirits of the forest. So the name is very, very fitting for this. So what is this? How do you make this? That's a good question. And well, the first thing that you see are actually the antlers, or for me it was the antlers. They don't look like a deer antler, they look like an elk antlers. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. The body is very primate-like. It looks more like a very lean gorilla. We also see that the Carnute is a four-legged animal. It doesn't seem to be standing on its hind legs. Also, the demon deer looks a lot like a Wendigo. I think it's a upgrade. It's more of an upgrade of a Wendigo. It looks a lot better than a Wendigo, but it is similar to one. Alright, I'm impressed, not gonna lie. It looks pretty cool, so how about we make it? My first plan was to take these tiny animals I got from Kinder Surprise eggs and mash them together. I quickly realized that they were a bit small for my project, and also that I was missing most of the parts I needed. Going into stores to look for toys also didn't work, so I decided to cheat. On the Anycubic app, I found a very similar model I could modify. I feel that this one is a bit too beefy, and also I don't like the pose, so I'll change all that, but it will work overall. Because I'll change the pose, I decided to print its body parts already divided. I added supports and that's it. Print. Oh well, the print didn't explode this time. But I really messed up the amount of supports. Poor Carnute. Looks like Cthulhu himself corrupted him. After retrieving the hand, like the well-trained golden I am, I went and got some blue tack. It's white, I know, but I got some blue tack, and after finishing with the support removal, I paused a minute to see how the parts would look together. And I gotta be honest with you, it looks great. I really like this miniature, and if you have the Anycubic app, go and download the file. It's free as far as I know. Hey, it's me again. So, you probably wanna see the process of me getting this to this. Well, I would show it to you if it wasn't utter chaos, that is. So, what happened? I squeezed my brain for hours trying to come up with a cohesive way of showing you guys, the viewers, the process of making and reposing this miniature. The problem with that is, well, that there was no process. There was only figuring stuff out as I went. It was only trial and error. And if you don't believe me, let's recap what happened in the past 3 days.
This is the part where we'll sit back and relax. You get to watch me paint, and I get to act like I know what I'm doing. For the base coat, the three colors I mixed were oak, even though it looks orange in the video, some brown and some white. If you feel like recreating this look, you can find all the colors I used in the description down below, and if you feel like it, I'd love if you click the like button. That would be nice, thank you. I dry brushed a lighter color on top of the base coat and then I went and washed it with a darker tone. When working with washes, use a brush to move the pigment where you want it to be darker, but remember to use a paper towel to remove the excess. I added some green splotches on top of the parts the greenery was supposed to go, then the greenery itself, and that's it. Let's look at it. This was a great project to work on. It had its ups and downs, but overall I'm super proud of this and how it turned out. I can't wait for Nightingale to come out and of course, meet the real Carnute. Hope you had fun, nerds, see you next time, and Ember out.